Oh. Although I'm not sure this is what Dadigo had in mind when he said Sammy could have his friends over.
Danny, play. Why don't you play with some building blocks instead?
Oh no! Jamie May, what are you doing?
Jamie make a mess. You go clean up. Vroom, 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 vroom.
If only they'd stop making such a mess.
They will, one day, when they're all grown up. But that won't be today, I'm afraid.
Or maybe it could be. I've got an idea.
Earplugs?
Hey everyone, who'd like to play a really fun game? Jamie Make, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Fly airplanes.
What about you, Sammy? And Melissa?
Train driver. Chug, chug. Sammy, be a digger.
Danny Play, what about you?
It's okay if you don't know yet, Danny. It's good to keep your options open.
Well, right now we're going on a big adventure to the future, where you're all grown up.
I'm not sure they heard you, Mya Go.
I think they're happy doing what they're doing.
But they haven't even tried my game yet.
That's toddlers for you. I'll make some lunch.
Sammy, this is a real digger chair. Why don't you try it out? This is the control lever. Close your eyes. You're inside a real digger, scooping up rocks.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Hold on tight. This is very heavy.